Hello and welcome back to the channel. Your data is now clean, structured, and looking good. Now we're going to make it even more professional. Let's go to the job titles table. Right now you have ID title, job titles, and column 3. Two quick improvements we can make here. Standardize the job titles format and rename column 3 to something meaningful. Click on the job titles column. Now go to the top menu, transform, format, uppercase, click it. All job titles are now in uppercase. This might look like a small change, but it's very important for consistency in reports, cleaner visuals, and avoiding duplicates. For professional dashboards, always use consistent formatting. Now let's fix something else. Look at the last column, column 3. That name tells us nothing, but if you look at the data, you'll see manager and non-manager. So this column clearly represents manager status. Double-click column 3, rename it to manager status, then press enter. Now your table looks much cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.